Hello everyone, in this video you can follow along my first solo trip to Lisbon. It will cover the first 3 days of my journey. I flew from Budapest to Lisbon and arrived just in time for a beautiful sunset. I spent one night at Hotel Maria Lisbon Aeroporto, which was very close to the airport. And the next morning, after the breakfast, I just walked to the metro station to buy a rechargeable travel card, and I uploaded with a 24-hour day pass. During this walk, I realized there is a bus stop which is quite close to the hotel, and I checked which bus is stopping here, and finally I chose a bus which was taken to the Lumen Hotel without any transfers. The room was ready when I arrived, and they gave me an upgrade, so I was very surprised and very grateful for this gesture, and it was a very good start of my first solo trip. After a short break, I took bus 727 to the Belém district, and I reached that in about an hour. After looking around a bit, the first thing what I wanted to see here, that was the monument to the discoveries. The view from the top was incredible, and it was definitely worth to pay that 10 euros, what was the entrance fee. Monument is 18 stories tall, with an elevator to the 6th floor and a small staircase to the top. When I left the monument to the discoveries, I just walked next to the river to reach the Belém Tower. I just wanted to look around a little bit here, so after the short walk, I hurried back to the city center to take part on this GuruWalk walking tour. Toby, our tour guide, was very knowledgeable and friendly, and he shared a lot of interesting stories about Lisbon. I will add the link for this tour into the description below. When the tour ended, I just went back to the Praça de Rocio and took a bus to go back to the Lumen Hotel, where I get some snacks and also I enjoyed the beautiful sunset from the balcony. At 10 o'clock every day, they have a Lisbon Light Show. It is a calming and relaxing end-of-day experience. I really like to close the days with watching the show in the evenings. On the next morning, I had a pre-arranged photo shoot with my tour guide. She took some lovely photos and videos with my phone, so I didn't have to ask random strangers to take photos of me. And at least I don't have just selfies from this trip. I went back to the Lumen Hotel where I could eat my breakfast because they were serving that till 11:30 on the weekends. I took some rest, but after that I went back to the historical center of Lisbon and visited the Carmo Archaeological Museum. The entrance fee was €7. Although this wasn't on my original list of things to check out in Lisbon, I'm really glad I had the chance to experience this visit.